In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sora 2 AI like a pro, Holywood style, real motion. Open your web browser and head to Google. This is the quickest way to find the official Sora page without memorizing any links. In the search bar, type the word Sora. You'll see a list of results appear. Look for the official Sora website and click through. If you see an Explore or Create section, that's a good sign you're in the right place. Once you're on the Sora interface, you'll find a prompt box where all the magic happens. This is where you describe exactly what you want to see. Think of your prompt like a director's note. The more specific and cinematic you are, the better the motion and storytelling will feel. For example, you can use a prompt like this: a Hollywood-style futuristic night chase where a sleek black sports car drifts through neon-lit streets, launches over a broken bridge, and dodges explosions while a police hover car closes in amid blazing lights and motion-blurred chaos. Notice how that covers setting, subject, action, lighting, and energy. Those details help Sora interpret your vision and translate it into movement, pacing, and atmosphere. As you write, prioritize clarity over length. Include the mood, the time of day, camera vibe, and the key action beats. If you want truly real motion, phrases like dramatic camera movement, dynamic motion blur, cinematic lighting, and high-energy chase can sharpen the results. Avoid vague words like nice or cool. Instead, be concrete about what appears on screen and how it moves. When your prompt feels solid, click Create Video. Rendering can take a moment, especially for complex scenes, so be patient. While it processes, a tip: if your results come back too chaotic, reduce competing actions in the prompt and emphasize the main subject. If they feel too flat, add motion cues such as drifting, swerving, or a sweeping camera arc, and specify lighting like neon reflections, backlighting, or sparks to give the scene depth. If your first attempt isn't perfect, don't worry. Subtle prompt edits can make a big difference. Tighten the story arc with one or two cause and effect moments, like a car drifting, a bridge jump, then a hover car closing in. Keep descriptions consistent and avoid mixing styles that clash. That's all you need to get started. Reach Google, search for Sora, open the official site, craft a precise cinematic prompt, and click Create Video. With a clear vision and a few targeted refinements, you'll be generating Hollywood-style, real motion results like a pro.